Look at this continuous climb. This is exactly what happens when you try to navigate a 2026 economy using an outdated playbook. Endless hard work using traditional methods doesn't equal success anymore. In a rapidly shifting market, it guarantees failure. Success in this environment requires building automated systems that execute labor independently, doing the heavy lifting for you while you focus on high-level strategy. This diagram breaks down the new economic formula. It relies on three interlocking pillars: attention, automation, and ownership. Before we go any further, open a blank document on your computer right now. We are going to physically map out your personalized AI leverage machine step by step as we go. If your income is strictly tied to your personal presence, you have a ceiling on your freedom. Leverage removes that ceiling by allowing a system to produce value even when you aren't working. Step 1. Look at your blank document. Do not write down your passion project. Creatively fulfilling ideas feel inspiring in the moment, but they are usually the reason beginners quit when the work gets difficult. We start with pain instead. We cross out vague ideas like starting an apparel brand and highlight specific, expensive problems businesses struggle with. Annoying, repetitive tasks are your best targets. Clipping videos, researching leads. AI tools execute these much faster and cheaper than traditional labor. Pick one of those tasks and write down. But avoid the amateur mistake of trying to offer this service to everyone. Zero in on a single, highly specific target avatar. AI integration creates value not by being technologically complex, but by reliably eliminating a severe pain point for a defined buyer. Step 2. Now that you have your specific problem, we are going to design a highly targeted micro-offer. Put the idea of a complex, fully formed startup out of your head. Here is the exact architecture. A micro-offer combines three variables: a defined problem, a clear promise, and the speed of delivery. For example, if the problem is long podcasts, your promise is 10 viral clips, and your speed is 24 hours. That directness is required. Write down your micro-offer using that exact formula. Abandon time-wasting tasks like designing logos or building websites right now. Focus entirely on textual clarity. Keep in mind, this initial micro-offer serves solely as a training ground. Its only purpose is to generate immediate cash flow and establish a baseline proof of competence. At this stage, a prospect is paying for a solved problem, not a polished aesthetic. They want the certainty of the result you've promised, and a fancy logo won't help you deliver that faster. Step 3. This is where amateurs separate from operators. Amateurs toiling in obscurity stay invisible, while operators use public documentation to build authority. Apply a strict 3-part content rule. Take one completed project and openly share your exact workflow, your final results, and your mistakes. This continuous public tracking systematically lowers buyer skepticism, compounding into a steady stream of warm inbound leads. The objective of this content is not influencer fame or chasing vanity metrics. You are doing this to establish an undeniable track record of utility. Public proof changes the math of client acquisition. It replaces the friction of cold outreach with a system that pulls interested prospects toward your established track record. Step 4. We have to address the ultimate trap of early wealth generation. Many people increase their income only to immediately squander it on status symbols or temporary lifestyle conveniences. To avoid that, you need a strict reinvestment mandate. Every earned dollar must eventually purchase one of 3 things: more operational time, increased market distribution, or direct equity ownership. Look at this leverage staircase and write down your specific transition path. You start by offering a service, then you systematize it into a digital template or a productized subscription until it finally becomes an owned asset. Reinvesting service income into owned assets creates a disconnect between your daily schedule and your bank balance, ensuring the machine keeps running regardless of your manual input. Now, review the document you just created. Verify that you possess a single defined problem, an exact micro-offer, a public proof engine, and a clear ownership goal. Notice the mechanical endurance here. human workers eventually fatigue and burn out. Constructed systems, like the one you just outlined, operate continuously. Your next move is to take immediate, messy action. The moment this video ends, take your text-based micro-offer and send it to one potential client. Building an automated machine gives you complete control over your time, which is the ultimate freedom flex. In our next video, we will cover the exact technical AI tool stack you need to run it, so hit subscribe to build the rest of your system.